Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I am at Hobby Hideaway for the last race of their first season 2025 in Mini Z. We're going up in the AAA Superstock A-Main with my MR04LM. Oil-filled front shock, oil-filled top shock, and we're going out with the Mazda 787B. This is the track layout for our final race of the season. There's no straight shot straightaway this week, so you just got to make sure you try and keep your momentum up through here, and that's the game, and see if you can do it and stick it into a podium for tonight and possibly for series points. Alright, AAA Superstock A-Main, last race of Series 1 2025. I am starting in P3. There. Also all jammed up in the front. This is AAA Superstock. The cars are fast. I don't quite have the grip level that some of these other cars do. I gotta be really careful about coming on throttle in a corner or it will snap spin on me.
Top drivers are being reserved in first place with 10 laps, followed by Chris G in second place with 10 laps, followed by John Kennedy in third place with 10 laps, followed by Chris in fourth place with 10 laps, followed by Joel in fifth place with 10 laps.
Oh, oh, I lucked out there. Oh no! Oh, that's Chris getting ahead of me.
After 2 minutes 1 second, the top drivers are being withdrawn in first place with 21 laps, followed by Chris G in second place with 21 laps, followed by John Kennedy in third place with 20 laps, followed by Joel in fourth place with 19 laps, and followed by Chris in fifth place with 19 laps.
I thought you were ahead of me on track. I must have lost count for you. Oh. Ah! Oh no.
Oh god. Oh, come on, reverse.
2 minutes out, 3 minutes 1 second. The top drivers are being withdrawn in first place with 32 laps, followed by Chris G in second place with 31 laps, followed by John Kennedy in third place.
Oh, sorry.
Followed by Joel in fourth place with 28 laps, followed by Chris in fifth place with 27 laps.
Ah!
He's faster that way right now. Oh!
Ah! Reverse.
Top drivers are deemed to go from first place with 42 laps.
Oh no.
Followed by Chris G in second place with 41 laps. Followed by John Kennedy in third place with 39 laps. Followed by Chris in fourth place with 38 laps. Followed by Charles in fifth place with 36 laps.
Oh. Whoa. Oh man, I held it. Holy. 51, 54, 51, 49. 54! Slow down. Yeah, nice. Congrats, Dean. That was AAA Superstock A-Main. We'll have to see series points now. Get a tally at the end. All right, results are in from Series 1, 2025.
AAA.
All right,
first.
this is AAA. So we got Chris Groover, Stephen Prosser, Chris Cleary, John Kennedy. I got fourth in AAA. Lauren in fifth. Good job. Dean Boudreau in sixth. Nolan, Ashton, Brian, Mike. Okay, cool. Enjoyed the video. Hit that like button if you're new or subscribe. You want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.